The lion, named Leo, was the king of the forest. He possessed immense strength and courage, and his majestic golden mane shimmered under the sunlight. Leo had a kind heart and protected the other animals in the forest, ensuring their safety. One day, Leo encountered a small, nimble rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was known for her quick thinking and ability to outsmart any predator with her agility. Despite being small, she had a brave and adventurous spirit, always exploring the depths of the forest. As Leo and Rosie formed an unexpected friendship, they discovered a tiny mouse named Milo hiding behind a tree. Milo was shy and often overlooked due to his size, but his intelligence and resourcefulness were unmatched. Leo and Rosie were captivated by Milo's wisdom and decided to include him in their group. Together, the lion, the rabbit, and the mouse embarked on various adventures throughout the forest. Leo's strength protected them from any danger they encountered, while Rosie's speed helped them navigate tricky situations. Milo's cleverness proved invaluable in solving problems and finding hidden treasures within the forest. One day, news spread through the forest about an ancient treasure hidden deep in a distant cave. Legends said that it possessed the power to grant one wish to whoever found it. Excitement filled the air as animals from all corners of the forest embarked on a quest to uncover this legendary treasure. Leo, Rosie, and Milo knew that their combined abilities gave them an advantage in finding the treasure. They set off on their journey, facing numerous obstacles along the way. They braved treacherous rivers, climbed steep mountains, and maneuvered through thickets, never losing hope. As they finally reached the cave's entrance, they encountered a massive boulder blocking their path. Leo used his strength to move the boulder, revealing the entrance to the treasure chamber. The trio stepped inside, amazed by the glittering jewels and ancient artifacts that lay before them. However, before they could make a wish, they noticed a group of greedy animals closing in, eager to claim the treasure for themselves. Leo, Rosie, and Milo quickly devised a plan to outsmart the intruders. Rosie distracted them with her swift movements, while Milo devised a clever trap using the cave's natural resources. As chaos ensued, Leo and his friends made their wish. But it wasn't a selfish wish for themselves. Instead, they wished for unity and harmony among all the creatures of the forest. The moment their wish was made, a wave of peace washed over the forest, bringing animals together and putting an end to their disputes. From that day forward, the lion, the rabbit, and the mouse became legendary heroes in the forest. Their friendship inspired others to look past their differences and work together, creating a harmonious and thriving community. Leo, Rosie, and Milo continued to embark on exciting adventures, using their unique strengths and talents to help those in need. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and they remained the best of friends, forever reminding the animals of the forest that true friendship knows no boundaries and unity is the key to a prosperous